And there's Billy. Now the Mbuthuma with space on the far side. He's got options in field. Early morning! Right place, right time. Mbuthuma. As Pirates rip the Oni to shreds and finding their third. Yanela Mbuthuma with the poacher's goal. Pirates with the creativity once again. And Mbuthuma with a beauty of an assist. Just he's a third appearance here at the Orlando Pirates. And it's all about being at the right place at the right time. He's working hard to get there. Well spotted by Mbuthuma. The timing on the ball in was inch perfect, matched by the run in. And even though William Honey came out and made himself big, there's no denying Mbuthuma, he's first in the Champions League, and he's first at the Orlando Pirates. Like a hand in glove for Orlando Pirates. And it's got 10 at Rich's face, getting his first to Pirates, and here's another possibly! Make that the brace for Mbuthuma to go with Muremi's brace. 4 for Pirates on the day. But it turns out to be a memorable afternoon. Happy people have never been happier at the start of the season. The Kings of the NTNH looking to add another star to the black and white of Orlando Pirates. Have one of their many new stars coming in for a memorable afternoon. Great work in the creative department once again. A little fortuitous for Mbuthuma, he won't care. Right place, right time, and again another poacher's goal then as he gets his brace. Tries his might, William Honey can't deny Pirates.
Yanela gets to him up for the numbers again for game. Nancy again goes getting up. Shai cross again for game. Mbuthuma the car! Washington's on dog. Papa no noise. Now Mbuthuma. Eshala pa ina video dia seli suit ngo phone. Na kono Shai took off. Yanela gets to him up for the numbers again for game. Nancy again goes getting up. Shai cross again for game. Mbuthuma the car! Washington's on dog. Papa no noise. Now Mbuthuma. Eshala pa ina video dia seli suit ngo phone. Na kono Shai took off.
That's all Pirates at the moment.
You have to try and go out wide to be able to bring the balls in, because once you go in, there's enough numbers there for Orlando Pirates to be able to defend.
There's Mbuthuma. Floated beautifully to Mbuthuma to wrap it up! Well, Mbuthuma will soak in the acclaim from the crowds for that sublime assist. Mbuthuma still had a lot to do and finished expertly.
And so you look at the game as well, not enough defensive players from Golden Arrows, because he's trying to pile up the game going forward, add more numbers going forward to try and actually get that equalizer. Orlando Pirates, you look at it, was just Mbuthuma and Mbuthuma. Read the two, look at that, they're just two of them. But it's clever little play there, that is Mbuthuma playing that ball. But Mbuthuma's all good control, good composure inside the box. Yet again, even though he lost his footing, look at the control there, even though he lost his footing.
With repeating as Zimbata goes striding through, looking for Masangani that sets up.